Hey guys, I just wanted to do a recap video from yesterday. So on Bitcoin, as I was saying yesterday, we were in this area. I was expecting a move to come back up to this line right over here and then get rejected off of that, and hopefully coming back down to these yellow areas down here. We did get a rejection off of this. I did take a small trade from there. We were seeing some divergences on the lower time frames. On the 10 minutes you can see a lower low on the momentum oscillator, but then a higher high directly into the line. So I did take a short from there. It was a smaller trade. It was about a 1% move. I got out around over here for got rid of some of the positions, so I'm still in it. I may have actually just got stopped out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got stopped out. So let me see. No, I'm actually would still be in it. So I'm still in the trade right now, hoping for lower levels. It does look like we might potentially be getting a little bit more of a move to the upside, potentially, if we could stay above this white line. But currently we are actually breaking back underneath it. So hopefully we do come back down to this level. I'd be really interested in taking a long from, these two intercepting lines over here, depending on when the time actually starts, because the more time that's going by, it will obviously meet somewhere higher on this yellow line. So you won't hit it right directly at this intersecting. When they do intersect and the timing does align and it hits this where the lines are intersecting, it is usually always a lot stronger of a bounce than if it's bouncing somewhere over here, unless it's again coming where there's two apex or an apex forming and then jumping off of that. So that's the current state on that small Bitcoin scalp. And then for Ethereum, yesterday I took a trade from right over here at the bottom, and then as I was saying, I was looking to take profits at this blue line here. We did come up to this white line over here and then got a rejection off of that. Yeah, we got a rejection off of that, and as you can see, we're kind of just like following this line back down. And then once we got again to this apex here, and then this pink line was following up. Whenever it comes to those levels, again, price kind of always has to choose if it's gonna be breaking down past it or if it's gonna get a bounce up. So as you can see, it did get a bounce up, came back down, retested this pink line, and then got past these VWAPs, and then we're right now using it as support a bit. So potentially on Ethereum we might get a little bit higher prices in the short term. Let me see. Yeah, so we might get a little bit higher of a price on Ethereum. I'm in that. I was in that long. I did fully close the position from there, so I'm not in another long, unfortunately. But if you were have to take a long, this really would have been the place to do that. I would be looking for a short if we come back up to this level right over here around 2760, and if we get past that, then depending, again, price is always moving, so the lines will give you a little bit higher targets the more to the right you're going. So if we're breaking past these, as long as it's coming into a line, I'm always looking for a trade. If we're breaking to the downside, that would be, hopefully in this area over here, I would be again looking to take another long potentially from there if we're seeing divergences and money flow crossing back over on market ciphers. So yeah, so that's just kind of a recap from yesterday. I hope these videos are kind of helping in terms of how to use the fans, and then yeah, that's kind of it for today. So let's see what price does. But as I was saying, hopefully we get back up to these levels over here, or have more of a breakdown over here so we can look for a long. So we'll see what happens once price gets there. Awesome. Have a good day, guys.